Welcome to this video on English Balbharati, Grade 6. Today we are exploring Lesson 1.1, titled The School Bell Rings Again. Let's start with a warm-up exercise. Take a moment to think about the new things you want to learn this year, such as drawing, coding, playing an instrument, or improving your English speaking skills. This vocabulary list introduces several key words we will encounter in this lesson, including buckle up, commence, and slacking. In our word basket, we define buckle up as getting ready or preparing for something intense or exciting. A quote clan is defined as a group of families who are related to each other. Continuing with our word meanings, commence means to start or begin. Slacking refers to a decrease or reduction in intensity, quantity, or speed, while a motto is a short phrase expressing a person's goals. Now, let's look at some questions. The poem describes the start of a new school year. In the context of the poem, the phrase buckle up suggests getting ready for a journey. The students in the poem are in grade 6. The learning mix for the students includes difficult calculations and writing. The poet feels that each school term is exciting. When discussing the poem, we can say it is about the beginning of a new school year and the exciting things students will learn. The poet describes each school term as an exciting and full learning experience. Reflecting on a first day at school, it is often described as exciting, filled with meeting new teachers and friends, and being eager to learn new things. For our rhyming words exercise, start rhymes with part, go rhymes with no, cracking rhymes with slacking, and writing rhymes with exciting. Finally, we complete this tree diagram by listing 2 things learned in grade 5, essay writing skills and subjects like discipline and robotics. Thank you for watching this video on the first lesson of your English textbook.